Yo, what's up guys? Back in another video here. Today we have the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. Um, and yes, this is my first video in about a week and a half. So yeah, I am back with another vacuuming video. So, we got the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo, and my big brother and my niece were over here during the whole week. So yeah, they were here for the whole week, and they had a dog. They had a dog. They have 3 dogs, but they brought one of them. And their dog sheds a lot of hair, so let me go ahead and give you guys a close up. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. You probably can, you can right there. My iPhone has really good quality. But yeah, you can see hair in there for sure, especially on this brown rug here. If I get down there. Oh yeah, you can definitely see some hair. So the bin's empty, so we're gonna see how much it picks up from these 2 rugs. There's a rug there and a rug here, and this brown rug here. So we're gonna see how much it picks up. And also on this vacuum, I have cleaned it. It is reconditioned, and the next video you see will be this machine right here. So stay tuned for that video. Because after this video will be this machine. First time running it with everything clean. But this video we're going to be doing the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo 68C71. So anyways, and I ran this since my last video. So anyways, let's see all the hair that it picks up and all the dirt. And like I said, the bin's empty, and this vacuum, it was starting to lose suction, so I'd bang the filter out, so hopefully it has a little bit better suction. And so yeah, let's get started. Here we go. Let's see all the hair it gets up. Here we go. well, that pretty much ends it right here. Let's see what it got. Yeah. That's all hair. That's all hair from our dogs and my brother's dog. So, yeah, that's how much dirt we got. And also, this is the outside carpet, but if this was when I vacuum inside off camera, this is exactly what it looks like. Just like I don't know, maybe just this rug right here. Just one of our rugs in this house, and this is how much dirt we get. Yeah, our floors are dirty in our house. So we have to vacuum a lot, because this is what we get. This is probably like, in our house, this is probably like, just from like one rug too, just like one rug like this. This is probably 2 to 4 days worth of dirt right here from one rug, like a small rug right here. But yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad inside our house. Our dogs just shed like crazy. 'Cause it's springtime, so they start shedding, and this is what you get in the springtime. So, 'cause yeah, we have dogs, and my big brother, brought his dog. If I can just get that back in there. Why is this not lining up? There we go. But yeah, that's how much dirt we get. That's how much dirt we have in our house too. So, this ain't just outside, this is also inside. We have a dirty floor house, because we have pets. So, but anyways, that pretty much ends the video right here of the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Make sure you hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed this video. Also, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so you won't miss out a video whenever it goes out. So, that pretty much ends this right here. And stay tuned for more. And these rugs look pretty... They look way better. But, like I said, stay tuned for the next video on this machine. So, that's pretty much does it. And like I said, this ain't just from outside. We get all this dirt from inside too. So, because we have quite a bit of dogs. So, pretty much ends it right here. Because like I said, we have a house full of dogs, and my brother brought his dog as well. So yeah, that's how much dirt we have in our house and out here. So anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.